Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make a video to show you how to put the Audi TT on dyno mode. So the Audi TT I have here is the front wheel drive version. Doesn't have quattro on it, so I try all the manual from I found on the internet for the Audi A3, S3 and so on, but it doesn't work with this one, so I found a pretty simple method for it. So today I'm running on mainline dyno, and this is the Audi TT front wheel drive version 2.0 2015 to 2020. You have similar setup like this. So firstly we set it up on the dyno, and then we turn off the traction control by pressing this button, and you have the indicators show that the traction control is off. Then you go ahead, switch on the gear, drive on first gear. So initially it won't let you change the gear, so just keep the wheel rolling like this for like 2-3 minutes, and it will automatically pops up ABS arrow, and here we go. So you can do the dyno test with it. It will not hold the gear, it just acts like a normal dyno mode. Okay, so after you do all the dyno tests and tuning, you just plug in the diagnostic tool to erase all the arrow, and that's all. You're good to go.